Oil?
Yes.
What's oil?
I don't know if I can actually do this.
Okay.
I'm too scared.
Put oil. Move around there. Move.
Huh?
You don't have to talk. You have to say something. What's inside? Move there.
There's.
Move.
I'm eating some sausage because it tastes good,
Yeah.
and Papa's cooking for me. Say hi.
Cooking for me. No, don't touch that one. Papa, move there because it's fried. Like that.
Okay. Look at that.
Sausage.
Do you see it? It's delicious.
You think so?
And then we're gonna put the sausage on the bread. It actually tastes good, Papa.
Yeah.
You have to try it.
Yeah, of course.
You already tried it.
You have to try it.
Here it is.
I said move a little because it's too hot.
Okay.
Okay. So what we're gonna do? Get the bread.
Yep. Whoa. I can't actually get the bread because I can't.
Okay, I'll do the one who slice the bread.
Yep.
Okay. You want me to put some ketchup, tomato sauce?
I would do that.
Huh?
I would do that.
What?
I would do the tomato sauce.
Okay. Okay. Where's the tomato sauce? Here.
What? Well, I thought it was in here.
Okay, get the one.
It's empty.
Empty
A
already?
little bit, so we
Okay.
have to push some out.
Oh, you bring the one outside.
Okay. Look out, food. See? Oh, look, there's a candy. Tomato sauce.
You have to make some. How many bread you can finish?
2?
What? You can make 4.
4?
Yeah, because Papa will eat about Papa dinner lunchtime.
Oh. Wait, why does 2 tomato sauce?
Huh?
Why does 2 tomato sauce?
Sorry?
I have 1.
Yeah. Okay. So here.
Oh, look at that. Do you see it?
Actually, this is already cooked,
I think it's already cooked.
but you need to turn it brown.
Look at the bread.
Okay. You have to slice this one.
Do not try this at home.
Don't try it at home. Only professional do this one. Right?
Yeah.
You want to put something inside ketchup?
No,
Tomato?
no.
No tomato?
I want to put it on the top of the sausage.
Okay. How many you can finish? 2, 3.
Which one? The bread?
The bread and the sausage.
1, 2, 3. I'll finish 3.
Wow, really?
Okay. Okay. Oh, 1 sausage is coming. Oh, look at that. And put it on the plate. Tomato sauce on the top of the sausage. Get to open it up. What? That's it. That's it. That's too much. Oh, look at that. Oh,
Okay.
look at that.
Look at that.
Where's the plate? Oh, there it is.
Look at that. Ate, mommy's watching, oh.
Ate Mommy.
Okay, one more minute.
Let's see.
Too hot.
1 more sausage.
Ate Bami is watching.
Look at that.
Look at that, Ate Bami.
More. More.
She can finish 3. That's what she
More.
said. Oh my goodness. Big fish. Big eater. Okay.
One for me, Hannah, please.
One for Ate Mami, please.
I think that's a lot of sausage. Can you two finish that? Yes? Yes, we can actually finish that.
She can.
Well, it tastes delicious, okay? I can finish it.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oops.
Oh,
No more.
throw in the bin.
Throw in the bin.
You want to see it in our... Doesn't look... A lot of food. Another sausage! I'll just take that.
Okay, wait.
Oh my god, I can't touch it.
Oh,
How many tomatoes are you
I
putting?
don't know. That's one.
Last one, and that's it.
What?
And we can save for Papa and Mama.
No, you wanna eat 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure you wanna eat 3?
Yes.
What's it one?
And save it for Papa and Mama. Save it for Mama.
Mama can eat this one.
Yeah.
Also Papa.
Oh look, it's almost done. Sorry.
Look at this.
How about both for Mama?
Look.
Ooh, wow.
Yummy.
How about for Mama? Yes, we can give it to Mama.
It's okay. Now we have 3. Wow. Wait. Oh, Tita Ging also message. Oh. One for me, Hannah, please. Oh, Tita Ging, oh.
One.
Tita Ging, oh. One for me, Hannah.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Oh,
You want to see more sausage?
sausage, okay.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! Oh, okay, I'll turn up down.
Leave it like you want to have one of these.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna eat. Now.
Okay. Wait, you right now? Okay, wait. Really? Show me. Oh. Big eater. Okay, say bye-bye. Wait, stand up there. Wait. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching for this video. Next time we're gonna make something even better.
Oh, what better? What do you mean better? Oh. Okay. Okay.